Every morning starts with my reason, my family. This is why I keep going. I get ready and head to work. This is part of my everyday routine. When I arrive at the store, I prepare everything for the day. It's not easy, but I've learned to stay strong. I make sure everything is in order. It's part of my job as store in charge. This helps me stay focused and organized. Whenever I have free time at work, I use it to do my VA training tasks. Instead of wasting time, I make every minute count. I open my laptop, focus, and do what I can. Little by little, I'm learning new skills and improving myself, even it's just a few minutes. It still brings me closer to my goal. One of the best things about being a trainee in VAU is they give us real client tasks. Through these tests, I get to learn what it's really like to work as a virtual assistant. It helps me understand what to do, how to handle the work, and how to grow my skills. Good thing about being a trainee in VAU is that we have a 15-day Q&A Zoom meeting. In this meeting, our coach guides us and explain everything clearly. They help us understand our task better and answer all our questions. They also make sure we're not left behind and that we're all on the right track. It really helps me build more confidence as I learn how to become a virtual assistant.